What's going on, my tech fans? This is the One Tech Buster. Today we have this. This is the Samsung Galaxy A72, and you guys already know what we're gonna do to it. You already know what I'm gonna do to it anyway because of the title of the video. I don't even need to tell you guys. But yeah, we're gonna be bend testing it. I mean, with its plastic back, I feel like it's gonna at least kind of bend somehow. Yeah, did the bend test on the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. It didn't bend. Like, the phone is all the reviewers on YouTube that's reviewed the phone, they don't say anything about the weight, but it's a freaking heavy phone. It's not like heavy phone, as in like it's a heavy phone, but for what it is, it's quite hefty. It's bulky and it's quite hefty. I'm not gonna lie, it is quite a hefty phone. But yeah, we did the bend test on that, and it pretty much survived. There's no kinks or bend. But with this, I feel like there's gonna be bends or a kink, because obviously the back is made out of plastic. It's they kind of use cheap materials to actually make the phone, so I feel like it's gonna bend. So yeah, without further ado, let's get going. Alright, so I'm gonna start with just a little bend. There's like a tiny bit of kink to it. Just a little bit of kink to it. Just noticed there's a little bit of kink to it, man. Like, it's flexing a little bit, which is just insane. Right. Yeah, 110%. There is definitely flex going on there. When I kind of just turn it, bend it this way, you can see a little bit of flex. Let me try with this one. Yeah, there is no no flex. No flex for that. No flex for the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. I mean, it's a £1,000 phone and it's premium, but this is only £419, and I'm getting a lot of flex while I'm doing this. I don't know if you guys can see that, yeah, but when I bend the phone like this, there's a lot of flex. I don't know. Can you guys see that? I don't know if you can see that, but there is a lot of flex. There is a lot of flex in there. I think we're bending this. That's... Whoa. Whoa. Wow, do you hear that? Whoa. Wow. Whoa. I mean, the phone's still alive. It's still alive, but it bends. It's just a lot of flex. The whole phone is made out of like plastic and pretty much plastic. There's a lot of noise, like cracking noise and stuff like that. Oh, the screen just went off for a second. Oh my god, it's bent, we bent it. There's a little bit of play. I think we bent it.
To enable accessibility mode, continue holding the screen with 2 fingers until you hear a beep.
No. Guys, I think we bent the phone, man. Let's see if we can finish it off. Oh my god. I'm trying to finish it off, but I can't. I mean, it's pretty much bent. You can tell it's bent. It's got play. It's got play. Yeah, it's gone. I mean, for a budget phone, I'm very impressed because it's held up very well. I mean, there's nothing wrong with the screen. The phone has a bend in it, but there's nothing wrong with the screen. After that initial bend, after that initial little, you can see, look, you hear that? So the phone is bent, but it won't bend anymore. You can see it's bent as well. That's crazy, man. It's very amazing how durable these phones are that are actually budget. I mean, for a budget smartphone, you wouldn't really think they thought about that because it's cheap, and if you drop it, it doesn't really matter because it's a cheap device and you can just replace it. But they've really thought about it, and they've pretty much made the phone drop proof, pretty much, and bend proof. I mean, like I said, it's bent a little bit, but it's still okay. The phone's still functioning right. Everything is just is still good, but there's just a little bit of that play. But I mean, you won't really notice it that much because you just won't notice it. But yeah, guys, that's been the bend test on this bad boy. Can't get it to bend anymore, and I think most of what's kind of just can't bend it anymore is because the framing is actually made out of metal, so it's from aluminum metal, so that kind of just gives the phone a bit more of a stronger rigidity, which kind of makes it more stronger. But then when you come to bend it kind of like this, like I showed you guys, you can see that flex. That's a really bad flex there. It doesn't really keep it safe. But trying to bend it like this, you can't. You can still hear like little cracks and stuff like that. But yeah, it's a very strong phone. There's no word of a lie there. Well, yeah, guys, if you enjoyed the video of the bend test and you want me to bend more phones that I get, then please smash that like button, and one day hopefully we get a phone to bend in half. But yeah, guys, if you enjoyed the video, like I said, smash the subscribe button, turn on your post notification, like the video as well, comment down below, tell me if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace.